What's up, guys, and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we're gonna be showing the i8 some love because it just deserves it. It deserves it. Alright guys, we just enjoyed that amazing Chipotle, and now we're just sitting in the garage thinking, you know, what should we do with the i8 to just kind of show it some love? Variant was ever so kind to send me this wheel cleaner for the i8 wheels. So black wheels get dirty real quick. I'm super happy they sent this out. Now we can actually go ahead and clean those up. I was also thinking about showing you guys how to detail a car properly, you know, have the lines and stuff on the carpets, show you guys all that cool stuff. Basically, Jonathan knows how to do all this stuff, and you showed me a little something, something, and I was like, you know what? I kind of want to learn. But wait, before we actually get into the video, we do have a sponsor to this video, which is Moji Pit. This is probably one of the coolest things, and I've always wished something like this existed, but I didn't know it existed until this company reached out, which I'm super stoked for. And you guys are probably wondering, what is this thing exactly? Well, let's just go ahead and crack it open so I'll show you guys what it is. Guys, this thing is packaged like an Apple product. That is super satisfying. Bada bing, bada bang. So what's in this box, guys, is what goes on your rear windshield. Yes, emojis on your rear windshield. Now, instead of actually just reading you guys a bunch of little gibberish, let's just go ahead and set this thing up and just show you guys what it does exactly. I am super stoked for this. I've always thought about when someone cuts you off, you could throw some kind of emoji. If you guys know what I'm talking about, you guys know what I'm talking about. But basically, it goes on the rear windshield, and you can put up any emoji on your rear windshield whenever you like. So if someone flips you off, or somebody, you know, lets you cross over in front of them, you can give them how you feel without doing anything other than showing them on your rear windshield. Now guys, this is actually insane. So enough talking, let's just go ahead and set this thing up. So check this out, guys. It says empty right now. It's connected. It says 100% charged. So you don't even need this thing plugged in or have a place that actually has a cigarette lighter. Like in my trunk, there is no cigarette lighter spot. So let's go ahead and put it in my trunk and see how this is gonna be. I think this is gonna be the coolest thing ever. Check that out. That is so awesome. So at this point, guys, we're just gonna go ahead and pick out some emojis. Let's go with Apple emoji. All right, so we have some emojis here. Ooh, the winking emoji. Let's go ahead and click that one. I guess you could just go ahead and see it. It's doing something. Sheesh. There's an emoji on the back of my car. So guys, if your guys' heart is broken, you can literally just show the heartbroken emoji. Or if you're in a positive mood, I mean, come on, you can just throw out a heart like that. Or if you guys are even trying to spread social distancing, that is a great way to do it in such a fancy looking way. Look how sleek that looks. That really looks like my rear glass has an animation on it, which just looks amazing. And especially with the tints on the windshield, it doesn't even show there's anything behind it. It literally looks like it's the glass, which is crazy. Or even if you guys are doing Uber or Lyft, that is a cool way to show it. And if you guys are probably saying, like, oh, this is looking a little bit dark, well, luckily for you guys, that is barely anything. You can turn it up to be super bright. Oh my god, this is awesome. And check that out, guys. Recording, boys. But anyway, if you guys want this product, link down below. This was awesome. Let's hop back into the video. And we're back into the future. So basically, guys, I think that was one of the coolest little like little mods I've ever done to my car. It's not really like a mod, but it's super cool because it's something like everyone's thought of it. I'm sure everyone was like thinking about when I drive on the freeway and someone cut me off. I wish I could throw some kind of like something on the back windshield where they, you know, so you can make them feel how you feel. Whether that's somebody cutting you off, you could throw some kind of emoji, if you know what I mean. Or that's like, you know, somebody actually lets you cross over, so you just want to say thank you, or just say like double thumbs up or something. It's just super cool. You can do all that stuff. And if you work Uber, you can actually put up the Uber little logo thing, and it just looks like a flex. It's a clear flex, and I think it's under $100, which is pretty sick. Anywho, I'm back with my Milwaukee addiction. So I've been getting a lot of tools, and I needed to kind of carry in case. I just figured, you know, if I ever go to pick a pull, ever go to like little places, I need a carrying case. And Milwaukee has their pack out system. I don't know if you guys know what a pack out system is, but I basically throw up an image right there. It's basically like their storage thing, and they can go upwards of $200-300 for storage. I think it's ridiculous for like an on-the-go storage thing. For me personally, maybe if I was like an electrician or somebody that actually does carpenter work and I actually need to store all my things in organized compartments and take it on the go onto a work site, maybe that would actually be quite handy for me. So since I'm not any of those and I'm just, you know, a dude that likes to work on cars and take cars apart, all you really need is one of these little dudes and, you know, some batteries and a couple heads, maybe even a sawzall, so you can take that with you so you can cut off some parts off a car. That's it. But so I was actually thinking, when I saw this little dude, it's not even little, it's actually huge. It's absolutely huge. It looks super cool. You can store all your stuff there. It even has little compartments on each side. Little thing over here you can move around and do whatever you want to do there. Even has a gasket so no water gets inside. This thing was only like $35 on eBay, brand new. That's crazy. And I'm just gonna keep it up right here. I have a Milwaukee addiction, guys. It's getting kind of crazy, but I had to put it right here just for now. I'm not using it right now, and I don't really have much storage space till I get to move into my new place, which you guys will be seeing hopefully soon. Yes, hopefully guys, your man's be moving into his own place pretty soon. Super exciting news. And I'm gonna have so much more space. Unfortunately, not so much garage space, but so much more space to store some things if I need it, and I won't get yelled at. So it's a win-win. Anywho, let's go ahead and get out this bottle from Variant Wheels. We also have something over here from FCP Euro. Huge shout out to FCP Euro for having OEM parts with lifetime warranty. I got windshield wipers, because if you guys thinking about it, you need to replace your windshield wipers every single season, and they have lifetime warranty with OEM parts. That is just a win-win conversation. We also got a couple more goodies from FCP Euro. We got the spark plugs for the i8. We have the oil filter for the i8. We even got the oil from FCP Euro for the i8 and the cabin air filter for the i8. So we're not actually gonna be doing any of the oil stuff because I think I still have the warranty and they need to cover stuff like that. So I'm gonna put that off to the side right now. This is all your guys' plaques. They're gonna be moving on to our new place hopefully soon. It is a little dusty now. But for everyone that's copped merch, you guys will be featured on the M4 plaque in the new place, which is gonna be awesome. So if you guys still haven't caught merch, make sure to cop some merch. Should be also shout out in the next video and featured on the M4 pack once we get it up. We're gonna be getting it up in the other garage next to the Kies Motorsports banner. A couple other companies that I work with banners are gonna be putting everything up in the garage because it'll be officially my own place, which I'm super excited about. The garage is so tiny, but you know, we'll make do with it. We'll make do with it. But for now, let's go ahead and get the car in the garage. I want to replace the windshield wipers, cabin air filter, show it some love, clean up the wheels, get a car wash, vacuum the interior. I'm gonna do so many things to this car to just make it perfect, and we might even go out for a little photo shoot in the end. So without further ado, let's get the i8 right over here so we can start working on it. Guys, this is a sight to see, but it is just so dirty. We literally have poop stains everywhere. The whole side of the car, I don't know if you guys can see all that. It just needs a good wash. It looks like it's been through stuff. And the wheels need a really good cleaning as well. So even the brake calipers. Hopefully we can get a brush and just clean all this little stuff up. I think it'll be awesome. But anywho, let's go ahead and replace these windshield wipers. They look like they're working pretty good, but we did get a new set in, so we might as well make them new. That was so easy to replace. It was probably the most satisfying thing I've ever done in my life. They have the BMW emblems on them. These are not completely shot, and actually I think they work on other BMWs as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and just keep these guys just in case I'm gonna need them later. But it is gonna start raining soon, so we might as well have the new windshield wipers on. So this is the new cabin air filter. I don't really know where this goes exactly. Let me just go ahead and watch a video and then we'll put the new one in. So the cabin air filter on this car pretty much just goes down here. So with every other BMW that I know, actually, at least all the new ones, the cabin air filter is down there. So let's shoot a quick little cinematic, get that out. And guys, we really need to clean up this interior. This interior is just, oh my God, it is really something else. And from everyone that keeps getting in and out of my car, they keep kicking their shoe against this, so I gotta clean the leather as well. I want this thing to be 100% clean, so hopefully we're getting some good before and after pictures. But for now, let's go ahead and replace that cabin air filter. And in with the new, boys. Let's go ahead and just put the rest of the stuff together, and we just got a filter replaced. So the new filter is in. The old filter is actually pretty dirty. I'm actually shocked. I thought BMW would actually replace this considering it's a certified pre-owned, but I guess not. I think the filter ran me like under $15, and then the windshield wipers ran me about like 40 or something like that, or even 50 I think, but nothing too crazy. And these are all covered under their lifetime replacement program, which is perfect. Because those you have to replace them eventually, you know? So at this point, guys, I think I'm gonna move up the i8 just a little bit more, and I'm gonna start working on the interior. Now, I am no interior expert whatsoever, but I do think I can make this look as good as I possibly could. So, you know, I might as well give it a chance, because again, the i8 deserves some love. Alright guys, now that we have it vacuumed up, I pretty much got all the stuff that I need to go get it a proper car wash, wheel detailer, tire cleaner, glass cleaner, and just a little bit more of interior cleaner, because once I get in and once I get out, I kind of want this to be beautiful once we finish by the end of the day. I just want to see how it was, and when I got it from the factory, when I picked it up from BMW, it was so clean, so beautiful. And these wheels, I've never actually got them clean again once I actually put them on, so I'm trying to clean them once again, and then hopefully my boy Jonathan will come down this week and help me get a nice photo shoot of them, because I really want to see this at its first photo shoot. We haven't got these wheels at its first photo shoot yet, and I have a feeling you guys will love it. If you guys are not following my Instagram, make sure to check out my Instagram down below, because I post a lot of car pictures there. I haven't been posting recently, but I'm gonna be real soon. Anywho, let's go down to the car wash and get this thing perfect.
One day soon.
Transformation. I literally feels like I picked this car up today, and the wheels look so good. That variant wheel cleaner actually worked very well. I was kind of like, I don't know, because I've been using the McGuire one on my other wheels and it worked really well. And I was like, will this actually work? And the variant ones did really well, surprisingly. The reason I say surprisingly is because a lot of the companies that the bottles they send me out, they want me to use them and they want me to advertise them, they don't do well. They look cool, but they don't do well. And I'm happy to say that the variant spray bottle actually works really well with the wheels. So if you guys ever want to cop the wheels, pick up that bottle too, because it works really good together. Tomorrow is a big day for me. I'm seeing somebody that I've been dying to see in a very long time. So that's also one of the reasons why I really wanted the i8 to get cleaned up. I pretty much already kind of spoiled it. I'm getting my new place pretty soon, and this somebody that I'm seeing tomorrow that I haven't seen in a long time is gonna also be living in that place, hopefully. You never know. So I'm not gonna get in, I'm being very general. We're going to Rayleigh's. What? A lot of you guys didn't know, Rayleigh's is one of my first jobs, and this is the job that pretty much pressured me to work hard in life because I didn't want to get stuck working here. It is what it is. Something, you know, needs to motivate you.